Doing Stuff with C-Lat. Today I am going to be changing out this cabinet, this vanity with mirror. Already turned the electricity off and removed the light bulbs. So if you could look in here, there's some screws here that I'm going to be taking off, and I'm going to be replacing it with a standalone free vanity. The light fixture is going to go up here, and it's got a smaller mirror. So I've got my utility light over here off to the side. That's why the lighting is not so good, but yep, join me in this awesome episode. First screw. So there's two of these little nut type things here. I already removed one on the other side. I'm going to remove this one. And I can feel that it freed up this plate here. And I'm removing this plate to expose the wires here. So you've got your I'm assuming the orange one is my negative because I've got the black wire here, and then the white, which is the positive. So I'm going to take the wire nuts off. Remember, I already disconnected the power, and the plate for the lights is off. I've got two bolts that's actually holding the vanity to the wall. I'll start on this one first. Short screw. It's still securely on the wall, so I've got to find out what's actually holding this thing together. Alright, removing it from the wall. Alright, looks like we're going to have to do some repair work here. So I'm going to have to patch this up, stick this back in the wall and get it presentable, and paint it, of course. So we'll be back with that on this, what I thought was a small project. So I've cut a piece of 2x4 and put some flat brackets on it. One on this side and another one on this side. And I'm going to place it about right here. Drill a hole somewhere about here. And that way I can connect this through here, and it'll be my support for the light, vanity light that I'm going to put up. So I'm going to secure this up here so I can measure it a little bit, and we'll go from there. So this is the piece of sheetrock that I have here to cover up what I've got going here. I've already put the support brace here, ran the electrical back through here. So I'm going to take this, get it measured, and put it up. So I think that we've got the measurements right, so I'm just going to put the wire through here and see if what we got. Alright, looks like we got a good fit. Got this part going well. So I'm going to actually go ahead and put the sheetrock screws in. So now it's time to unbox the vanity light that I'm going to be using. And what I got here is Martha Stewart Living. And for the most part, you can see the picture here. That's what it looks like. So we've got instructions. And we've got the main plate. So I am looking for the plate that's actually going to help mount this. It's going to go like this. So I'm looking for this plate here so I can put that in place. So I'm going to grab a screwdriver and take this inside the bathroom and start getting on it. The only other thing in here are the light covers. I'll show you what that looks like. So it's just a glass cover. That's how that looks. Alright, so I've got my wire nuts and my mounting plate here. So I'm going to go in the bathroom. I'll start putting the screws in. Well, sheetrock has been sanded and it's all ready to go. So I'm going to start painting, and we'll have a vanity light up. So this is the wall painted after the sheetrock has been sanded. I've got the mounting plate up right here, and it's time to connect the wires. So I'm going to connect this with the plates coming downward. So this is going to go like this on the wall. So I've got my ground wire and 2 wires here. The orange is going to be my black, and the white is of course going to be black. So I'll get to that. Alright, everything's connected. You see I've got the black wire connected, and then also the white wire. Now I'm going to just throw, the ground is over here too. So now I'm going to throw some black tape inside. You don't want that. So just going to wrap this up in black tape. extra security. Just like that. Do the other one. Alright, now I'm ready to mount this sucker. I'm just gonna pack this all up in here, make sure it's inside this cavity. And line up my screw holes. And then the top one, and this should be mounted. Okay, with some to do, it's up. Now let's put on the glass covers. Moment of truth. See if all the labor worked. Ta-da! It's time to put a mirror up, already mounted the light up here. So I put some measurements up here. And this is the mirror that I'm going to try to put up. So I've got some sheetrock mounting brackets already. This mirror, probably about 7 pounds, maybe 5 pounds. So these mounts here will hold up to 50 pounds. So put it up here. Alright, the mirror is mounted.